We're a manufacturer of metal bar grating, which is an industrial flooring primarily, but we also delve into a few other markets. We have a couple what we call traction safety products. All Grip or On Grip are the two brand names. And we have a number of patented products that are focused on city sidewalk gratings. We call them wheels and heels. They're wheel capable, high heel friendly. We have a brand new product that just came out called Greater Balance, where it's actually a lift assist. So the heavy vault covers actually have a assisted lift device. We do a lot of bridge work, a lot in the material handling space, warehouse, distribution centers. We do a lot of city sidewalk. We do parks and recreation, wastewater treatment plants, water treatment plants, all have grading in them. We have an architectural division that does mainly grading that's not walked on. And then the backbone of the grading industry is light duty industrial grading. So right now, data centers, liquefied natural gas facilities, any power generation, any manufacturing facilities have a lot of grading in it, anything with multiple floors or steps or crosswalks. So that's kind of who we are, what grading is, and what markets we serve. Hello, I'm Sean Eller, Ohio Gratings. We are located in Stark County, Canton, Ohio, and we manufacture metal bar grating. And actually, now that you know who makes it, you should feel comfortable when you're 200 feet in the air standing on our grating. People get scared driving across open deck bridges, walking high in the air on grading. Grading isn't even close to design to failure. It's all about deflection. So all the grading that we would design would be based on a 1/4-inch deflection with 100 pounds per square foot load is the standard pedestrian loading. And once again, it's so far away from a failure criteria. It's all about not bouncing so that you feel more comfortable when you're in an elevated space with it. The strength to weight ratio of grading is great. It actually, can carry a heavy load and be a very, very light flooring compared to a concrete floor. And so it keeps the structure cost lower because they have less steel to support a lighter flooring. Back when I started here, we didn't manufacture light duty grading, we just bought it from someone else and fabricated it. At that point, we had about 80,000 square feet of manufacturing space and around 50 people. Now we have here in Canton about 800,000 square feet, and we've got facilities located all across the country. So we are one of, if not the largest and most diverse manufacturer of grading in the country. We make more different types of grading, and especially out of this facility here in Canton, Ohio, than anybody else does. Here at Ohio Gratings, owners are very passionate about just being impactful for people's lives. So a few things that we have that I think are kind of unique. We have a full-time chaplain here that's here to serve our associates. We have a culture officer. Every associate at Ohio Gratings goes through communication style testing on kind of how they're made and how they communicate well. I tell everybody that I talk to in our new hire orientation that it's our expectation that you treat people respectfully and they treat you respectfully in return. And we have something called career pathways. So it actually has a career chart where regardless of what your position is, you have visibility of what that looks like in financial growth and in position growth. We hire a lot of student welders from local career tech programs. Right now we have about 35 high school students that are working during their high school senior year. We do middle school makers camps where middle schoolers come and see manufacturing plants in a very controlled environment. We published a 2nd grade children's book, and then like this page in particular shows all the different careers that she could choose from: a robot operator, an engineer, a welder, a lab technician, and she is exposed to all these awesome opportunities in her future. And I love the Mr. Jones who's given the tour. Who happens to be this bald guy here that looks somewhat similar to me for some reason. But she pondered it for a moment, and then she said, I love them all. And this could just be the beginning of a great career in manufacturing. So this is something that our communication team did a phenomenal job putting this together, and it's our goal to give it to every 2nd grader in the county. So we've distributed around 7,000 of them so far, and still working diligently to continue to distribute them in the community. So we do a lot of work in that space to develop that workforce for now and for the future. And that's something we're very, very passionate about, to connect with the young people in this community and hopefully make a positive impact on them. We use magnet for numerous things through the years. We've had Magnet do lean training for our supervisors. We've had Magnet do plant layout work. We've had Magnet do some sales training, some help with marketing. Look forward to a much longer relationship with Magnet as we work together to continue to promote manufacturing in this community. Ohio Gratings is looking to continue to expand our capacity, automate and improve, come up with innovative new products that serve our customers better. Those are all enhancements as just, once again, listen to the customers. What are your needs? What are you really looking for? And then do everything we can to meet those needs with a good quality product that's going to serve their needs in the future. So we're going to continue doing that and just continue to grow and take advantage of the opportunities that we have in this market. And once again, looking forward to continue working with Magnet as well.